Are you dealing with the obesity, diabetes, hypertension, back pain, knee pain, and you have a sedentary lifestyle? I am inviting you a 3 days webinar where I am going to teach you a simple exercise, Hatha Yoga, Vinyasa flow and Power Yoga, all with the modified version. With this, you will lose the weight and you can practice by your own self without need anyone. Secondly, you will also improve your overall health, your mental health, your spiritual health, and it cleans all the system. There is a fun activity. In that fun activity, you will learn about Thappad Yoga. It's a unique design exercise in growth with habit, yoga with habit. There you will learn about that. At the same time, you will learn about the different meditation and facial yoga and some eye exercise and ear exercise. This will help you to energize your body. My name is Gajendra Sonar. Along with me, Shanti Gala. We both have almost 10 to 20 years of experience. We will teach you about the simple technique which you will gain your flexibility, improve your mobility and lose the excess amount of fat. So if you want to join, simply you just have to click the link where it is flashing it. Go and register now. Thank you so much. Do not miss this class. Thank you so much.